What happens to insurance coverage after trial completion? Imagine finishing a long journey through a clinical trial and wondering what comes next for your health coverage. It's a common question for many patients who want to keep their care smooth and worry-free. When a trial ends, your insurance coverage can change, but understanding how it works can help you stay protected. Most health insurance plans, especially those regulated by laws like the Affordable Care Act in the United States, are required to cover routine medical expenses for trial participants. This means your regular doctor visits, hospital stays, and treatments related to your condition should continue to be covered during and after the trial, as long as the trial meets certain rules. During the trial, the study sponsor usually pays for the experimental treatments, tests, and procedures involved in the research. These costs are generally not billed to your insurance. Once the trial ends, if you still need ongoing care for your condition, your insurance should cover those standard treatments just as it would if you had not been in a trial. However, there are some important points to keep in mind. If you develop new health problems because of the trial, this might affect your ability to get new insurance or change your current coverage. For example, if genetic testing during the trial reveals a new condition, you might need to disclose this to future insurers, which could impact your premiums or coverage options. Some insurance plans, especially those that are grandfathered or are Medicare Advantage plans, may have different rules. They might deny coverage for trial-related care or create confusion about what is covered. It's always best to check directly with your insurance provider to understand your specific benefits. Coverage delays or denials can happen even when laws requiring coverage. If this occurs, you might need to advocate for yourself or seek help from the trial team or patient advocacy organizations. To manage your insurance after a trial, start by asking the research team what costs will be covered and what will be billed to your insurance. Get this information in writing if possible. Contact your insurance company to confirm that your plan covers routine care during and after the trial, and ask about any special paperwork needed. Keep detailed records of all communications with your insurer and the trial team. If you face a denial or delay, request a written explanation and consider appealing the decision. If you are uninsured, ask the trial team about financial assistance programs that might help cover costs not paid by the study. Remember, routine costs are the standard medical expenses you would have even if you were not in a trial, like doctor visits or hospital stays. The study sponsor is the organization funding and managing the trial. Grandfathered plans are health insurance plans that existed before March 23, 2010, and are exempt from some Affordable Care Act requirements. Medicare Advantage is a type of Medicare health plan offered by private companies that contract with Medicare. From your point of view as a patient, the main concern is whether you can continue to get the care you need without unexpected bills or gaps in coverage. While laws generally protect your right to insurance coverage for standard care, real-world experiences show that denials and confusion can still happen. Being proactive, asking questions, keeping records, and seeking help when needed can make a big difference in ensuring a smooth transition after the trial. In short, your insurance should continue to cover standard care after a clinical trial, but it's wise to verify your coverage, understand any changes to your health status, and be prepared to advocate for yourself if issues come up. The trial team and patient support organizations are there to help you through this process.